All right, good morning, guys. AMD pulling down 2%. NIO, Soxel. Morning, Rob. So yesterday was a distribution day. I was just reading an IBD article. It's 4 distribution days in 9 days on the NASDAQ, which hasn't happened since January. So we're in a little bit sketchy waters up here. Not quite throwing the towel waters yet, but getting a little bit sketchy. Very similar to my Thinkorswim platform. Let's go switch to our Bitcoin platform, which I haven't looked at yet. What's happening today? All right, loose fine support. Oh, there's our bottoming candle. That's the one we were looking for. Oh, Atom coming up. How's S&P? I don't know. They only mentioned the NASDAQ. I still gotta send that check in. Apple's up, Microsoft, Amazon down a little bit. How's Amazon? Amazon's okay, not fantastic, but okay. SLV's up a little bit. Peloton's up a little bit. DocuSign's down a little bit. AMD down, looks like bouncing back. But once again, AMD's already had a pretty substantial run. Apple did hit 2 trillion. I posted a tweet out there. I said Apple market cap is 2 trillion. Now you know where 1 trillion of that stimulus money went. It's not quite accurate, but it's a good sentiment nonetheless. $2 trillion for Apple. It's amazing. Actually has nothing to do with anything really. It's just a measuring stick, but it's a big measuring stick. Looking at Visa late. Let's take a look at Visa. Visa kind of wedging higher a little bit, seeing a little bit of distribution up here, but it looks like we're still poking. I know we just talked about being heavy, a little bit heavy distribution days, but we don't have a market in no marketing correction, nothing like that. So no uptrend under pressure is what I was trying to think about. Still doing okay. They charge too much for their phones. Yeah, I mean they could charge less, but at the end of the day, doesn't matter. It was like $700 or $1,000. I don't think it matters that much. All right, I'm just gonna shut this guy down. If I shut mine down, someone else will be able to have theirs work, because mine don't work. Tesla is still super strong, no downside action whatsoever. Not quite the $2,000 mark though. I think we'll likely test it at some stage, and we'll see how it handles it. Zoom 1%, hanging out up here. Very tight little flag the past couple of days. That's good price action. Not looking too bad. MasterCard. Where's MasterCard? All right. Remember, MasterCard actually broke out of its pattern. Looks like about 2 weeks ago. kind of wedging its way up a little bit ever since. SLV, still consolidating that move, volume declining. Pretty good. May see another move up. I'm not sure where stimulus talks are, but I guess there's another 1 million jobless claims this year. Dang, Sal Khan looks old these days. He's definitely aged. Wow. Alright guys, probably going to be a shorter stream today. May bail in 20 minutes, may bail in 30 minutes, I don't know. Guess it depends how much fun we're having, but I gotta put a grill together for the second day in a row. All right, market bouncing up a little bit here. Qs, check out the NASDAQ. Definitely with a little bit of distribution. That range really tightening. So here's our prior drop, and here we are today. Actually, look at the RSI, pretty much giving us stalling signs for a while now. Slight head and shoulder sign here on the RSI, just before the breakdown for the first coronavirus. And it looks like we've RSI's changed momentum since this point, for whatever that's worth. I'm not a huge RSI guy, so I don't know. I guess we can take a look historically and see what RSI divergence has meant. I'm sure in some instances, like here you go, have an RSI divergence, starts at this high, then you have a double top with a higher price, then you have RSI dropping while the market just kind of meanders sideways, and then the market starts back up again, and so does the RSI because of the sideways action. So hard to know exactly how this is going to play out. But with so much money being printed, it's kind of hard to see how it doesn't end well. And then at the same time, if the economy actually gets healthy again, I don't know. All right. Ugh. All right, so Amazon looking pretty good. Pop up on the open service now. Thank you, Rob. I was wondering if you were going to say that. Been having a hard time sneezing lately. Just getting these little preemptive things, and that's all that happens. Kind of annoying. It's like blue balls for your throat. Don't take that the direction it could go. Peloton, AMD. AMD trying to bounce back. Soxel down 3%. That's new. Let's take a look at some other ones. You guys want to shout some names out? We'll go ahead and look at them since I don't have my list in front of me here. Actually, I could pull it up on my phone. Maybe. I'm not sure if it's their API or their... It's got to be their API. I don't know what else it would be. Which means in theory all APIs would suffer, which means in theory my phone should suffer too. Okay, looking at the actionable list on my phone. Looks like it's still changing. Square, Zoom, Silver ETF, 3x Silver ETF. Not much else is really hanging out. Yeah, let's see what's down today. Genus, Skyworks, UAL, SkyWest, UAL, Alibaba, NIO a little bit. So pretty meandering day. AMD's down here, down about 1%. Oh, that dude. You see what I told you in Slack, Rob? Morning, Andrew. See what I told you in Slack, Rob? I'm like, this is your fault. Okay, Rob. This thing was under $5. That is your territory. You own that. You should have brought it up, even though we give you a lot of crap about it. That is crazy. If you zoom out on this thing, like it's gone from near all-time lows to all-time highs. Absolute the craziest thing. Overstock has a history. So look at that. All-time lows to all-time highs. That's nuts. It kind of did something similar over here. And yeah, I don't know. I've actually bought a couple things from Overstock. But yeah, all-time lows to all-time highs is in such a short period of time with just kind of a not pump and dump stock, that is crazy. And we've never once looked at it until today. I do find that oddly disturbing. Yeah, it's still big. It's huge. Super big volume. Restart to install the latest version of Windows. Go F yourself. Pick a time. All right, what time should we pick? Let's do 10 p.m. All right, sounds good. All right, has the Nasdaq turned positive on us? Futures is still trying to. Now, I wonder if we have a little bit more fuel in the tank here. I'm gonna get going in a little bit, Andrew. I'm not sure if you just want to go to bed. Just go to bed. I don't know what we're gonna find here today. Although we do find Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft green today, so that's gonna bode well for the Nasdaq. Amazon 0.47. Come on, Amazon. I just need you to, give me 300% or however much percentage you're going to give me. I don't forget what it is. And another one, I don't think I saved the trade. Oh, I did save the trade. It was around, pretty good. 170% or something. Come on, Amazon. Hit my $4,000 target. Then you can do whatever the hell you want to do after that. I don't care. Which means it's going to stall immediately. That's a good move for the Nasdaq, Rob. Can't expect much more than that. All right, so Visa trying to rebound today. ServiceNow trying to rebound today. Remember ServiceNow the other day broke out of this small little thing. Looks like we're testing it, which is good, but we're not breaking it, which is good. And so hopefully a follow through here at some point. I don't know if it's going to be today. I believe today is Thursday. So we have one more day this week. Rocket, not lately. Oh, curling back up. There you go. Nice. Nice. And of course that won't work. Okay. Can I change these around? I don't think I can. Trying to. Okay. Where'd my symbols go? They're there. Zoom 3%. There you go. That's a new high breakout for Zoom. How's our volume today? So far, really good. So Zoom trying to break out, ladies and gentlemen. All right, looks like we've flipped to the positive tune a little bit. Peloton, DocuSign flipping. AMD trying to go positive. It was down like 1%. It's only down 0.3% now. Started here and it's already kind of rocketed all the way back up there. Bank's lower. All right, is Visa going for it now? A little bit light volume this morning. We'll see if it's gonna start going, but it looks like we're edging up. You start breaking these right here, then you're definitely looking at a potential for that trend shift. We've seen tightening here on the right side of the chart, and hopefully we'll see some elevated volume. Last time we saw that rising action like that, we started this consolidation. So it doesn't mean everything right there. It's actually kind of rising in low volume, which is a bad thing. So there's now Boeing taking on the chin a little bit, 1.3. The second those airlines start to look good, they just fall apart. And it makes sense. We still have no idea when things are opening back up. All right, Microsoft basing here. Actually looks like, let's check out the weekly chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So a flat base here for Microsoft, it looks like. Flat base for Microsoft. Amazon trying to break out of a base. See if it'll be able to do it. And Apple's already broken out of, well, this thing doesn't base, it just runs. Apple doesn't base anymore, it just runs. So many trillions of dollars that it's worth, which it's, I don't know. I still find the money hole is in the stock market. I think that, you know, I still have that video up here if you guys remember. I don't know, that's a different one. Darn it, where'd it go? Thought that was it. No. Now I gotta go find it again. I should have favorited it though. The one from, is it, maybe it's in another tab. Nope, that's not it either. Darn it. The Onion video about the money hole. I thought I saved it. That wasn't it. Not there either. Anyways, a video about a money hole is pretty funny. You guys have seen it. Decide your major, Andrew? Wow. Well, thank you for involving us in the con. Let me go fill up my water real quick. I got 0 water. And we'll be right back, and we'll get Andrew a career. All right, Andrew. Career choices, huh? Well, first of all, obviously pick one that makes money. I think you're smart enough to do that. But pick something that's not going to crush your soul. I don't know much about you personally, Andrew, but I mean, like for me, I could go that way. I could go engineering. I like building stuff. Like I think that's super fun. So I personally probably would do like an engineering career over finance although yeah, what else are you considering? Like what are your ambitions? I mean, what do you like to do? Are you creative? Do you like to, like, I like to build stuff. Do you like to build stuff? You're creative? Okay. Creative finance is a great field. The Enron people love that. um, they've got a lot of I don't know how techy you are, but they have a lot of they have like IT managers, stuff like that. I know that's doing pretty good lately because you know tech's taking over the freaking universe. So you can do like a try to go for some type of an executive position. Yeah, executives have to be very creative. So you could go into, I don't know if I do economics. You could minor in economics since like no one seems to understand economics, but I wouldn't. I don't know if I'd major in economics. Don't do marketing. Everyone and their mother does marketing. Um, Gosh, are those the only business options you have? Like business majors. Accounting, marketing, sales, international business, human resources, management, information systems, human resources, health service administration, business administration and management, masters of business. Maybe just go for a straight MBA. Just try not to pay too much for it. Marketing does, yeah. See, marketing's tricky. Actually, this is I don't know. It's from Indeed. We'll see. See how good of a post it is. Apple, Amazon trying to go back up. Square, Tesla going up. So yeah, it looks like we're healthy for right now. Not much is going to change in the next 20 minutes. I think I'm going to bail after this, guys. I got to go put that grill together. I was doing that yesterday. It was 117. It's just too. I became a huge asshole towards the end of the day. I don't want to do that again. So this is what they say. I don't know what your college offers. I don't know what else you want to do. But, I mean, MBA is always a good one. Everyone kind of looks. You can get almost any business job with an MBA, but they'll typically you typically start above mid-grade from my understanding. Easily do 100K a year with an MBA if you've got some people skills. So yeah, accounting, marketing. The thing with marketing, I mean, this is very creative. I think for a creative person, marketing probably would be a good way to go. But I have a feeling there's just too many people doing marketing, especially on the internet. You really have to jump into like a major corporate house or a major marketing house, and that's going to be that's very competitive. You have some very artsy people in marketing, so I think you just really have to love marketing to go into marketing. Other than that, it's yeah, I think it's really hard to get a good marketing position unless you just really love that process. So, sales, sales is actually really good. You can make a ton of money in sales if you have a lot of sales skills. Hey, what's up, Ellie? I'm gonna bail here in a little bit, man. I got to put my grill together this morning. Bit of a slow day. Yeah, we're trying to help Andrew pick the rest of his life. So if you want to help join in, he's majoring and he's already doing a business degree, but he's trying to pick a major. So I think finance could be good. um, I don't know the kind of time frame you have to pick a major. Maybe go on LinkedIn and try to find some see something you could do, Andrew, is just try to pick some people maybe in the community, maybe just go talk to some professors that teach those courses and like, hey, what's a day-to-day in this life? Like if I choose this, what am I getting myself into? Is like finance a soul crushing career where I got to work for Goldman Sachs watching for backstabbers or something like that. International business could be fun, but probably a lot of late nights and stuff like that. Maybe just a lot of travel. I'm not sure if you're into that or not. HR probably will just generally crush your soul. Health services. So anything in the healthcare field is likely gonna pay pretty well. Although they don't say it pays pretty well, so maybe just avoid that one. Management information systems. Ellie can probably attest to this. Yeah, so anything you deal with like information technology these days, especially in some corporate levels, is gonna be pretty good. Um, yeah, but yeah, if you stay on the management side from the books finance perspective, IT managers can actually do pretty good, from my understanding. Business administration and management, and then MBA. Actually, doesn't look like it pays that much. Business administration management looks like it pays. According to this one, I don't know. This is from Indeed. All right, people who earn MBA have C level positions. Well, you can do business and tech. That's what I'm saying, Ellie. Is that business and tech? I think is pretty dope. I like that mix. That's super cool. So research analyst, business analyst, project manager. I know a couple of project managers have MBAs. If you go get this one, which is a business administration and management, not quite an MBA, it looks like. Associate professor, deputy director. So, I mean, I'd probably aim high. Don't do an MBA. They're a little overrated, but I mean, I still think. Well, what's he do then? Like, what's a good business major? I've never graduated college. I'm not the best guy to ask. Like I said, as Ellie types in the absolute only correct answer, talk to professors in that field that teach these, and ask what life is like, what job prospects are like, what they're seeing from their graduates and stuff like that. Don't talk to professors. Why not? It doesn't hurt. Lots of meetups. Okay. Yeah, just talk to a lot of people. Talk to people in the field. Yeah, there you go. All right. So Ellie's saying don't talk to professors. I still say talk to them. Talk to everyone, Andrew. Dude, the more people you talk to, the better informed you're going to be, and you'll be surprised the kind of nuggets of information you're going to get by talking to people. Like I just did a quick Google search, but this is by no means everything. Like here's the thing, like you're going to talk to someone and someone's going to say, "Oh, dude, this firm's got a great program and they have jobs in all three of these categories to look at." And so that's right, Rob, you're talking to us. You should just focus on options trading. That's really going to be the way to go. Working for Lucky Coffee. No, I say talk to everyone, man. Talk to everyone. Um, yeah, as many people as you can, because you really never know the information you're going to get. I mean, I've Googled stuff, and then I've just happened to run into, so like, actually a good example is my yeah, a good example is my grill I just bought. I was Googling for not solid 2 weeks, but I was Googling for about 2 weeks, and then I went into the store to go buy a grill. We had it narrowed down to a couple of choices finally, and luckily, grill grill professor. Luckily, this one guy or this one store sold like the three types of grills. I'm like, oh shoot, I'll just go here. And then I talked to the guy from the store, and he was good and knowledgeable. And then we just happened to run across some guy that was really really like knowledgeable, like nerdy grill knowledgeable, and we ended up making our decision. After we talked to him. So yeah, go talk to everyone. I think Ellie's a good idea. Meetups are great. Go talk to some meetups. Go talk to But go talk to some actual businesses. It's like, hey, what do you guys look for in a graduate? What do you guys look for? Do you look for degrees? What do you look for? They may not even necessarily look for degrees. What do I do? Is it finance? No, I don't do finance. I actually do education about investing. Is essentially what I do. That's about it. But before that, no, I was not in. I didn't have a financial degree. I installed audio video systems in high-end homes. Yeah, nothing, nothing nearly related. Let's see if I can pull up home theater systems. I've just had a love of the stock market since I was like 18 years old. So that was about it. Yeah. Whoops, that's pretty big. So I did stuff like this. I would install the racks hidden in walls, TVs and niches, and speakers and ceilings and stuff like that. That's what I did. And I just loved the stock market and got good at it. Took time, but got good at it. It was a lot of fun, man. I loved it. I still love it. I still love it to this day. If it actually paid me any decent money, I don't know, I may go back. I like it. I really do like it. It was a lot of fun. A lot of work and a lot of fun. But nothing fun has I don't know, you got to work hard to have fun. You just kind of have to. Yeah. Yeah, I found my. Yeah, no matter what it is, you got to work hard, man. I don't know how many hours of charting I've got. I couldn't even tell you. I couldn't even tell you. Tens of thousands of hours, probably, over the last 20 years. Yeah, I think Andrew's a hard worker. I mean, he's here at like 12:30 every day, so I think he's got that down. But yeah, just go talk to people, man. Talk to everyone. Just talk to everyone. That's the best thing to do. And that's the best advice you're going to get from someone not in your field. You just go talk to people. Talk to professors. If you happen to be near the finance building, go talk to the finance building. Go find. I'm sure they have career counselors. Maybe they have like a list of people that are in the business world you can go talk to. But just go search for, yeah, just go literally talk to people in the business. Mentors are fantastic. If you can find a mentor, that's great. Yeah, there's zero wrong with a mentor. Square's up 3.4% today. Yeah, go do that. Yeah, I'm gonna get out of here, guys. That's the note for the day. DocuSign getting healthy again. That's the note for the day, guys. Go talk to a mentor to figure out what you want to do with the rest of your life. Rob. Something that's fun you want to can make a lot of money from. Went with business because I can come up with ideas, and was business minded with a kid. Yeah, you never know what you never know what you're gonna do in life, Andrew. Business is a good general thing to find. I had no idea what I wanted to do when I was young. I kind of fell into my career. Luckily, I got very lucky, and that's because I think for me, like I'll find something good in anything I do. So just keep a positive attitude generally. But business is good if you like being business and creative. Go talk to people about that. Go talk to businesses. All right, guys. I got to go build myself a grill. You guys stay safe out there. Don't tank my market while I'm building a grill. Just don't do that. All right, guys. I'll see y'all tomorrow morning. Bye.